Wait! Don't throw away your favorite jeans just yet.
Alright, go.
Okay. Wait! Don't throw away your favorite... Wait! Don't throw away your favorite jeans just yet. Did you know that you can repair your jeans? The crotch holes, the knee holes, every kind of hole. If you've ever gotten a tear or a hole in your jeans, listen up. I'm going to explain denim repair today and your options. We're going to have three main denim options for repair. That's going to be darning. The next one is going to be patchwork. And then the next one is going to be Shashiko. Now to get into each one. Darning. This is our most common repair for denim. This is where we go to our machine and sew in a zigzag pattern to cross over the hole to strengthen it. Patchwork. This is when you get a different piece of fabric to put on top of the hole or behind the hole. This creates more strength and covers the hole, simply. Shashiko. This is a Japanese term. This is another form of repair. Like patchwork, we use a different piece of fabric to build strength, but with Shashiko, we focus more on the hand stitches. Common Shashiko is going to be with bold stitches and a geometric or line pattern. Finding your perfect pair of jeans is hard, but when you finally do, it's like you never want to take them off. They're broken into perfection, they're comfortable, but most importantly, they are yours. It doesn't always have to be about work. They can be fun, we can add bold stitches, we can add colors and fun fabrics. So with my repairs, I use it as an excuse to design. And lean into the character of your jean that comes from wear and repair. So repairing keeps you in your favorite clothes longer and gives them a whole new life. Alright, so if you want DIY tutorial videos on repairs or videos about different kind of repairs or just something that you're interested as far as holes and distressing, put it in the comments. I'll get back to you. And comment, share, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thank you.